Welcome back once again to my channel. In this tutorial video, we will learn AutoCAD 3D mechanical drawing. We will draw figure number 41, which is right side of its screen. So let's start video. First, we have to give limit to this drawing or set drawing area. To set drawing area, type limit, enter. Set lower limit 0, 0 and upper limit 100, 100, enter. In order to apply limit command, select Z enter, E enter, zoom extend command. Now go to view and select right view. Actually, we will draw this figure from right side view. Here is arrow mark is given from this side. I will draw this figure. So go to right side view and take line command. Click here, make ortho 1 and take it right. Type distance of 160 unit, enter. Again go to line command, click here, take it up at a distance of 12 unit and again another 12 unit. Take it left and just specify this point, take it off, click here and close it. Again line command, click here and join it. Okay, now again take line command and click here, again line command and just specify this point, take it left at a distance of 30 unit, enter, and take it up at a distance of 40 unit, enter. Now go to circle command and click the end point and give the radius of 30 radius and select here and give the radius of 15 units. Here diameter is 30 units, so radius will be 15 unit. Now go to line command, click here, join, and again circle command, click here and join. Now take trim command, select all the object and trim the circular portion. Select this line and erase it. Now go to line command and type 10. Select here and just join here. Okay. Now front view is ready. The front view will be looking something like that. And now select all the object, type J for join command. Here it is, the front view is ready. Now go to southeast isometric view. Here it is. Now I will use placeful command in order to make it 3D. So take placeful command, click here at a distance of 12 plus 12 is equal to 24 unit and click here this region and placeful it at a distance of 52 unit. Again take placeful command, click here at a distance of 76 unit and select this region and extrusion height is 12 unit. Enter. Now change visualize style, click here and select shade of gray. This placeful this unit, click here up to this unit. Okay. Now select the bottom portion, so move it, take move command, click here at a distance of 12 unit. Here it is. Now again copy this object, click here, copy command and click here and paste this here. Here it is, the drawing is almost ready. Now move this portion, click the object, take move command, click here, midpoint exactly and set it midpoint of that surface. Now select all the object. First take union command, as the union command has to take first and then select the object. Enter. Here all the objects are union. Now move it. Select this line and just erase it. Here this portion distance, the height of this portion is 10 units. So go to pasteful command, select this surface and take it back for 2 units. Here it is. Our drawing is completed. If you want to check the dimensions, so type DIST, distance, click, select this point to this point. Here it is 10 unit, and this point to this point 12 unit. Here this point to this point is 24 unit, and overall length is 100 unit, and here it is 12 unit. So there is no problem in the drawing. Again go to southeast isometric view. Here it is, the drawing is ready. If you want to give color on it, just select the object and select any color you want to give. Color number 50 I want to give here. So here it is, the drawing is ready. Now go to realistic. Here it is. That's the way I have created this drawing. If you want to practice it, then go to comment box. I have given this link on the description box. You may download it and practice in order to learn this drawing. So thank you for watching. I will close it here.